T1400 installation video. Step 1. Check all components required for the installation against layout drawing. Please refer to your T1400 installation guide for reference components, materials, and tools. Excavating the trench. Prepare the trench for the T1400 with enough area to allow the required concrete surround as furnished by the specifying engineer. Refer to the T1400 installation guide for recommended concrete, plan, and load class minimums. Step 3. Assembly. Start the trench drain layout from the lowest point to the highest point of the area. The section containing the outlet will be your starting channel. The flow arrows on the channel always point towards the outlet end. All 19 channels have the same exterior profile. The channels are all tongue and recessed to allow for an easy fit with the next sequence channel, either upstream or downstream. Follow the flow arrows on the bottom of each channel and reference each channel number to stay in sequence. End cap outlets are fastened to the lowest downstream male end with our mechanical body clip. Simply cut the end caps to appropriate channel height and position on channel, making sure to cut low enough to accommodate the top finished cap. Apply appropriate sealant on the tongue and recessed area. Clip together by sliding the body clip over the mounting brackets. Finish cap assembly. All starting and ending end caps are fitted with top finish caps. After cutting end caps to appropriate channel heights, top finish caps fit multiple positions by simply cutting the appropriate inside tabs. They push on for a snug fit, but use PVC solvent or adhesive if necessary. For greater ease and robust assembly of multiple channels, the entire length of the run can be pre-assembled with body clips, blank grade inserts, end caps, and outlet components prior to inserting into the trench. Apply the required sealant to the tongue and recess of each channel. Install the body clip to perform a mechanical lock to secure each channel together. Each channel provides a slide groove that matches up with the attaching channel, allowing the body clip to lock the channel together. The body clip is also used on various end caps. Grate lockdowns and PVC cover boards. Optionally, for extra rigidity, you can install the grate lockdowns and PVC cover boards before pouring concrete around your T1400 installation. Starting end cap assembly. Starting end cap outlets are fastened to any channels upstream end with our mechanical body clip. Simply cut the end caps to the appropriate channel height and position on the channel, making sure to cut end low enough to accommodate the top finished cap. Clip together by sliding the body clips over the mounting brackets. End cap measuring. To measure for end cap fit, slide end cap into the tongue and recessed portion of the channel the end cap is being assembled to. Mark the end cap level with the grate ledge, not the top of the channel. For overlay rail applications, measure and cut to suit the extra depth of the rail. End cap cutting. After appropriate measurements are completed, mark across the face of the end caps. Cut lines are visible on each end cap to help with the straight cut to allow for appropriate fit of finished cap. Cut along the appropriate line with saw. Step 4. Install and pour. Place the pre-assembled length of run into your trench. PVC cover boards should be in place and staggered offset to the channel joints for extra rigidity during pour. Install any steel angle iron frames or overlays if applicable. Insert rebar or all thread into the integral ears. Drive into the ground about 6 to 12 inches or until firmly held in place. Set the T1400 trench to desired grade level and line for straightness and secure with tie wire. Adjust nuts if using threaded rod method. Ensure that all grate lockdowns are in place before pouring concrete. Connect to all planned drainage fittings. To limit T1400 trench shifting during pour, first pour concrete to cradle around rebar or threaded rod supports, and under the trench through the side skirt cutouts to minimize shift of the trench run. Repeat for each trench joint. Remember, it is recommended to overlap the trench joints with coverboard for additional rigidity and straightness. Finish pour. Finish pour evenly to prevent the trench from shifting. Vibrate the concrete as necessary to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finish cleanup. Cleanup installation. After the concrete is set for at least 24 hours, remove the blank grate inserts and install the actual grates being used. Securely fasten the grates using a posi drive screwdriver or a 14mm socket for hex bolt type grate lockdowns.